friends. Welcome to Miss Suman's SG classes. Our today's topic is A, Y, A family. When A and Y they come together, what do we expect? We expect A to make the sound of A and Y to make the sound of Y. But they make the sound of A, Y, A. Let's try some words. A, hey. H makes the sound of H and AY makes the sound of A, hey. Day. Ray. Let's try one more time. We will join the sounds using our inner voice. Hey, day, ray. Very good job, guys. Now these are few more words. First, we will try and blend them together and then we will read them using our inner voice. A, hey, A, be, A, re, A, ne, A, se, A, pe, A, le, A, we, he, be, re, ne, se, pe, le, ve. Very good job. I love it. When A and Y they come together, they make the sound of A. Let's try some more words. Now these are big words, but the good thing is you guys are super smart. Let's try together. Cla, A, clay. We will not try and make the sound of A and Y. We know that when A and Y they come together, they make the sound of A. A, clay. Pra, A, pray. Pla, A, play. Sta, A, stay. Stra, A, stray. Very good job. It's a 5-letter big word. But look at you, the way you are reading. It's making Miss Suman super happy. Ha, li, holly. A, holiday. Look at that, friends. It was such a big word, but you all did it. So let's try and blend the sounds using our inner voice and read the word. Clay, pray, play, stay, stray, holly, day. Very good job, guys. I hope you like my video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys super soon. Bye-bye.